Hello everyone, this is me, Alabel. Welcome back to my channel. And for this vlog, let's unbox this Ninja Foodi 2 basket air fryer 6 quart capacity for quick snacks and small meals. An air fryer is an airtight, usually small electrical appliance for quick cooking of foods by means of convection currents circulated rapidly by a fan. Kinda excited for this new air fryer that we have. So this is how it looks. It's fully sealed. Here we go, guys. This is it. So an air fryer, it is a compact kitchen appliance that circulates hot air around the food to cook it. With this kind of air fryer, it seems like it's easy to use and everything cooks so quickly. Packed up with labels and informations. It has 5 cooking modes: air fry, bake, roast, reheat, dehydrate. In here, the 2 air fryer baskets where we can cook our food. Enclosed is also this quick start guide or the manual. Testing how effective this air fryer, showing you here the breaded or seasoned pork chop. I guess I set the temperature into 375 degrees for 10 minutes, and after 5 minutes, you may flip your pork chop to the other side. And here's the result, guys. This is how it looks. With the air fryer, it's quick and easy, and it is a lower fat method of cooking. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. This is me, Alabelle.